Okay, so how to make one of those, because that key was missing. Other shit that I've done to this typewriter is re-ink the ribbon with pigment ink. It's a bit heavy at the moment, but that'll soon dry up. You can almost type onto black paper as well. But anyway, back to the burning question, is that everybody likes to know how to make those keys. It's a bit simpler than you'd expect. Top tip is to where am I? Where's the screen gone? If I do that, maybe you'll be able to see something. Okay, so the thing with pennies is if you get a neon magnet, so half of them are going to pick up with that. That means they've got metal or some steely type in the centre, which makes them a bastard to cut. Some of the older ones do not stick to magnets, which means you can get a pair of tin snips and chop bits off of them. Like so. Where'd that bit of plastic go? Okay, also you can use polycarbonate instead of glass, because you can cut that with a pair of scissors, like so, to whatever shape you want. So, yeah, sticking this stuff together, you get some flux, some lead solder, and a KitchenAid blowtorch. Quite simple, paste a bit of that on, stick the bits together, heat it up, blob that in, and it sort of wicks into the gap and sticks all the bits together. Right, I've got a sample of copper, yes I have. Any old scrap copper or brass and stuff, basically yellow metal, you can stick together really easily with that. Now the tricky bit is this thing, so hang on, if we could get him off. There's the coin. Woo, there we go. Trying to get something so it's not just reflecting back at you. So, yep, make a little sleeve, bend that with pliers to solder it in place. There's a couple of little tabs which stick out each side. And once you've done that, squash it with a bit of pliers and stuff it back on the back on the thingy. Anyway, that shiny bit which I'm talking about there. Now, kind of a bit difficult to make, but you can buy them for as little as 50p each off of eBay. But what you have to do is buy some cheap bastard ones of these. And so that all comes off. Don't want the fuse, so it's the fuse type but have a bit of metal on. You want, pull that off. And there's the ring. Okay, it hasn't got the little ears to bend over like it does underneath there, which is like that. So, and don't go cutting the fucking keys off just to make a crappy piece of jewellery, please. That's just sacrilege. Anyway, so there's hand-eye coordination with the camera. So anyway, that's the thing. But they match quite well to those. Alright. Magnet. Put the magnet somewhere out the way. So I've lost a bit. Oh, there's a fuse goes in. In. So yeah, that's how you do that. bits of metal together. I think I'm going to do that. All of these don't burst into flames all the time, it's just my one's a bit old, so I need a new one. I'm too cheap to buy one. Oh, there we go. Stay still. Should cool down fairly quickly. There we go. There we go. Oh shit. Okay, a bit keen there, wasn't I? Using that much of a pain in the ass, but it's on camera, so the law of the sod means shit doesn't work. Bear in mind now, I held together with it. Oh, sod it. Anyway. Oh yeah, that's always an idea. Always an idea to clean the bloody metal before you do stuff to it. That's what I've got to do. Now everything's really bloody hot. It's just a bit of 180 sandpaper there. Ouch. Cloth. So yeah, when soldering metal together, make sure the bloody stuff's clean. That's good enough. So yeah, these things are a lot more efficient and they don't leak like a bastard. Regular gas stuff. go, that's it.